So you're thinking about getting a Eureka Northern Breeze 12. It's a really cool screen room. Plenty of room, 12 by 12. We had a clam before this, and this seems bigger. And I like that it has two doors. You know, it has a door on this side, and there's a door on the other side, so you can let a breeze go right through. It's kind of nice. Problem is, this thing hasn't held up. We've had it for a year and a half. Moderate to heavy use. You can see we lost a whole side panel here. These little bungee things in the corners, that one broke, I had to repair it. That one broke, I haven't repaired it yet. That one is still intact. That's the only one that's still intact. The other ones are all broken. We lost a panel here as well. Being in the sun, they tend to dry rot. I'm surprised that they don't make these a little more sun resistant. What else has gone wrong? Oh, straps. So you see those black straps up there? Those are not original. Those tore off. The original is the orange ones. So I had to replace 3 of those. Those 2 and this one. So those are all have come off and had to be replaced. You can see we've got tape all over the place. I don't know if you can see it very well, but this thing just does not hold up to the sun very well. We had our clam for 5 years and we still have it. And it's starting to do this dry rotting thing, but not in a year and a half. It took a lot longer. But yeah, this thing is really cool, but it just doesn't hold up. So if you have light duty use, this might be okay. But if you camp a lot, I cannot recommend it. It's not that great. Love it and hate it. Love the design, hate the durability.